Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva AI. Okay, first of all guys, open Canva. You can open up Canva application or you can visit canva.com and you're going to go to the Canva AI menu. Okay, and here you will need to choose something that you want to create. For example, you want to create a sign, image, a video clip, or code, or document. It's up to you. And you can add your prompt here. And for me guys, for example, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva AI. So I'm going to choose image. And then for the ratio, I'm going to choose the 16:9 ratio, which is suitable for YouTube thumbnail. And for the prompt, I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me, guys. So I'm going to paste the prompt here. Alright, and then I'm going to send or submit this prompt to AI. And the AI will generate something that we need. Okay, and yeah, that's so cool. So this is the result. You will get 4 images guys, and you can choose one of them. And if you want to regenerate it, you can click on reuse prompt and then you can click on submit. Okay, and wait, it's still loading. Okay, and that's so cool guys. You can create anything instantly using this Canva AI, and this is cool feature, and you can use it for free, but it's limited. If you want to get unlimited access, you need to subscribe to Canva. Okay, and that's all the way to use Canva AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.